Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm a YouTuber and I just wanted to say I've only made 2 videos so far, but you guys have supported me so much and I just thank you guys so much for that, and you guys are just amazing. Like, my first video got 500 views and my second video has almost caught up to that, so that's pretty crazy. I'm here with my brother. His name is Eric. He's in middle school.
And I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to be a middle schooler.
So our goal for this was to do a pretty classic middle school project, and we're gonna be building a collage from magazines and stuff over here, and we're each gonna make our own, and the theme is that we have to make it about either YouTube or being a middle schooler.
Let's do this one.
Then I'm gonna start with this one. Make it stuff about YouTube. Do you think if I came to your middle school, I would be accepted and loved and treated as one of the middle schoolers there?
It would be weird because you're 21 or 13.
Yeah, they'd probably bully me.
There's Taekwondo.
Fighting episode coming up next.
I have a famous dancer in our school.
Aiden Prince?
Yeah, Aiden Prince.
I know him.
Verified on Instagram.
Shout out Aiden Prince. Teach me how to dance. What does it take to get the girl in junior high?
Play basketball and be a bad boy.
I am just an icon living. Started like a label, Misfits just did it.
But the YouTuber.
Because myself, am a YouTuber. And yeah, I'm a little YouTuber, you could say. I'm also an icon. Eric, what do you wear to school?
Clothes.
Yeah, but what does a middle schooler wear?
Middle schoolers wear Vans a lot. Some rich kids wear designer brands.
Put a girl on my... She's my collage girlfriend. That's my collage girlfriend. I put look fly... Oh. I put look fly because you can see her tummy. Oh, no. So I covered it. But the tape fell off there, I guess. Can't be showing tummies. Do they wear skinny jeans?
Sometimes.
You know Cayman?
The girl that was in your
Thrifting video?
Uh-huh.
She doesn't like skinny jeans.
Why?
What would you say to someone like that says that about middle schoolers' pants?
I would ask why she doesn't like skinny jeans.
Can you pass me the grandma, by the way? I'm gonna say that's her mom. This grandma is my collage girlfriend's mom. You always need to ask for permission when you go on dates with someone. So I asked my collage girlfriend's mom if I could take her on a date. And that's the appropriate way to do it. If you're a middle schooler watching this, Eric, you need to know you have to talk to your parents, ask them if they can go on a date. And the reason it says the beast is because I want my future mother-in-law to go beast mode, absolutely beast mode.
What does that have to do with middle school? Well, I feel like high school is gonna be harder.
Why? Does the girls?
No, because classwork.
What is the one thing that the world needs to know about middle schoolers? What is everyone misunderstanding about these critters?
That middle schoolers have feelings too. And we're really cool and bad boys. And just because we're younger doesn't mean we can't be bad boys too.
That's what I'm talking about. If an older kid, I'd say at about 21 years old, 6'2" height, like 34 waist, like large pectorals, came up to you and was just talking bad boy trash on middle schoolers, what would you do to stick up for yourself and the rest of your middle school nation?
I would say that
You gotta defend your middle school nation, Eric. They're counting on you.
I would stand up and then say that middle schoolers will beat your butt.
Why would people think middle schoolers are awkward?
Maybe they'll be awkward because sometimes they're just going through puberty and they're really shy and awkward.
What's something you want to say to all the middle schoolers out there who might be struggling with middle school life?
You guys need to keep your head up and don't listen to the haters.
You heard him. I use that advice as well. So I used to play soccer, and this is just mainly a picture of a soccer ball. I put the lightning bolt because that's what they used to call me in high school. Not because I was fast, but because I shocked everyone.
Why is there a random girl just sitting there?
She kind of just represents all of my fans. As you can see, she's watching on a laptop with a joyous face, very happy to be in tune with what is on her laptop, and I like to imagine what's on her laptop is me. I just really want that for all my viewers, my subscribers, my fans, even my haters. Believe it or not, this is the father of my collage girlfriend and the husband of my collage girlfriend's mom. He is definitely an icon living, for sure. Future ladies, if your dad is not an icon and your mom is not a beast, then nah, we can't work out. But yeah, that's my collage. Why'd you put keep it wavy along with sleek and maybe even that basketball picture to go along with it?
Because when you're playing basketball, you have to keep it wavy. Maybe show some tricks around the girls. You gotta be sleek with it.
Why'd you put this little beautiful there under the flowers?
Because since there's girls at our school, girls like yellow flowers.
Who's this little child over here?
Middle school, there's like some of the smart kids, and she's one of the smart kids, so...
What the? Why is there money and a little kid singing right there?
Because as you can tell, that kid's really cool.
Don't miss that, guys. And then make your mark. Are you gonna make your mark in this world?
Duh.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, if you guys made it to the end of this video, I just want to thank you guys so much because I just didn't think that you guys would make it this far. And if you guys could just keep liking, commenting, and subscribing, that would be amazing. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so I might even get there before this even comes out. But once I get to 100 subscribers, oh my gosh, just even now going out in public and people recognizing me as a YouTuber, like they're like, what's up my YouTuber? What's up Nick from YouTube? Nick learns stuff from YouTube. Man, I never thought I'd just be known in my vicinity and just loved like this, but hey, if you leave a comment and you like and subscribe, I'm gonna pick a winner in the comment section below to get a shout out in my next video. That is absolutely insane, right? A shout out. I know you want to get shouted out on my video, but yeah, especially if you have a YouTube channel. Oh, we could blow up together, guys. Blow up together. Let's go. Team Nick. Woo, 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 woo.